जोंनि मीडिया फ्रेंड्स रंग जों दिनै त्रिपुरा स्टूडेंट फेडरेशन इंगै जों प्रेस मीट आसंमानि को माइसि जों गोदोंमा सालरंगै जोंनि डिमांड ने रंग नुगैनि दंगो 50 years plus जोंनि डिमांड रोमान स्क्रिप्ट kokborok subject hai ke language so implement khaigan bagi chini movement जों ताकसक जरा चीनी मूवमेंट जों थागयागै चयागै जों खायनो दं थांनाय तालनै सिगां जों नुखा जों TSF नेंगै जों गवर्नर ऑफ स्टेट जों मेमोरेंडम याफारखा जों आरो चीनी अपील ते चीनी रिक्वेस्ट जों फुनुखा जे इमीडिएटली चीनी ओ डिमांड न रगानि बागै तालनै लाइ थांखा जों मुंसा नुगिया मंसा रेस्पॉन्ड है के पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट जों नुगिया गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट जों खाखायो चीनी सागाव बरक बेलायनो साग नांगे हानां पेनां खायतमनि जों नुखा अमो चीनी बागै लासि संसा चीनी दफानि बागै लासि संसा जों TSF 50 years रंगै जों दफानि बागै सामं खाय फाय दङ दफानि काहानि बागै अमो चीनी जतो चीनी बरक नि बागै लासिमा संसासि जों ताकसक जरा हानां पिनां खायजा दंमोनि चीनी डिमांड्स अमो जों केबो न कयगै हायाखे सेगै नागानि जों साया अमो अंका चीनी राइट्स चीनी मानथाय अमो जों बुसिथाय चीनी स्टूडेंट रक जों निरंनोबो कयनाय अमो निरंनि राइट्स तेति प्रहासनि बरक निरं बुसिथाय जों निरंनि बागै फाइट खाय दङ नै बनि बागै जों TSF ताकसक जरा खरांथि सायमा दङ जों जे मानसाक जोंनि दफानि बागै जों खायनाय जोंनि स्टूडेंट्स जोंनि बर'नि बागै जों साक्तरि सामं खायनो दङ टेक एस अ पॉइंट जों गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया न जों अपील खायनाय 125 amendment bill Parliament House of Place Ngangtheng immediately. O kani demand otigay जों दिनै press meet asokman enggo. जों नुखा government of the state and government of India जोंनो सागनाय yang tongmani. Tanggai जों 50 years rongoi or demands. Omo chini koksi. चीनी कक सिमो जों तांगै चीनी कक नबा जे सुइथायनो जों 50 years रगै जों सांगा नां दंखाना आमो जों बुसिथाय बनि बागै जों Monday 28 of August 2023 12 hours नि बागै त्रिपुरा हास्ते गनांगै जों स्ट्राइक दाखौगो बनि बागै त्रिपुरा हास्तेनि बर'र न तेसिनि स्टूडेंट रक न ओ स्ट्राइक न सक्सेसफुल खायगानि बागै जों निरंनि सपोर्ट नांगो अमंखा चीनी डिमांड जों TSF नि सिमि डिमांड या त्रिपुरा हास्ते लुकु जतनो अमो चीनी मानथाय चीनी फ्यूचर जनरेशन स्टूडेंट्स रक अमो निरंनि राइट्स ते निरंनि डिमांड जों निरंनि बागै फाइट खाय दङ निरंनि पार्टिसिपेट निरंनि सपोर्ट जों नांगो आं एपील खायनाय जत अर्गेनाइजेशन जत स्टूडेंट organization of all different student organization I appeal you all to participate in this movement government rok जोंनो सागनाय yang दंखा जों रिक्वेस्ट खाय बिसिनि खरां खाना जागलिया बनि बागै जों ओ जे स्टेप माना हरखा जों गवर्नरनो जों रिक्वेस्ट खाय गाबोखा हायफानो जों नुखा जोंनो मुंसा रेस्पॉन्ड रहिया 125 amendment bill House of Place Ngangtheng आरो गोबां पॉइंट्स दंगो आं ब्रीफ खायगा थांलिया बनि बागै आं जतनानो कयनाय all the strike no successful khaigani bagai participate khaigani bagai students thang civil society thang angni rona appeal khainai जोंनि रावनि support नांगो among kasini future generation ni bagai जों fight khai tango boni bagai ni रावनि hamjakma ni रावनि support जों नांगो TSF ni ngai ni रावनो जों असोंनो कक कचारनाय Monday wo जोंनि strike no success khaigani bagai जों नि रावनि थाने कयमों रहरो TSF ni ngai असोंनो हामबाय Busilian in Kong 13 Boni bagai जों मा step mana nira afro khana जों स्रिं स्रिं tonglia baksa sono sagai mana जों स्रिं स्रिं tongana hana aifana we are very much careful of what the government of the states are doing to our students boni bagai जों o step mana har जों स्रिं स्रिं tongya जों jora rojak government no boni bagai 2 months lai thangka bon bai जों tini o step mana har chini road block जों hezamara nini hathai kotor monu bisramganj जों o kaibri jagao chini road blockage dong an logo tongo an president Mr. Samrat Chief Organizing Secretary Mr. Bibas Publicity and Information Secretary Mr. Birgu sini Town Committee ni members boni bagai ni ang tesing koika जों nirok joto public te student ni support na जों joto no pal baksa ke khorang ti saka angke जों kha kha sini o demand fulfilling ana haifana जों oro kha khek laigei sak nangyangei जों o strike no hai o demand no जों support khaya tong khangke chini bagai ni hayang chini students rong no problem ok laine samo clear ke जों nugin to boni bagai जों ni rong no koimung omon narak nai o strike no success khaigani bagai जों no support khaigani bagai we are here with the President Federation TSF. We are blessed that we are here today. We on behalf of the President Federation, we are sitting a press meet. With me is the President of the Federation, Mr. Samrat, and Chief Organizing Secretary, Mr. Bibas, and Publicity and Information Secretary, Mr. Birgu, and our divisional leaders. Today, we see the press meet. We all know the demand of TSF since very long, the 50 years demand. 2 months ago, we submitted a memorandum to the governor of Tripura demanding Roman script to be implemented in the state. We can see, it's already past 2 months, but there is no response from the government side. We are worried why the government is showing so negligence towards the people of Tripura. There is a reason we need to see the press meet today here. We have won and requested several times the government of Tripura to listen to our demand and the student demands. We can see the negligence. And secondly, we demand the government of India to put a 125 amendment bill in the House of Parliament immediately. These are our demands. For all this reason, we the Tripura Student Federation, one of the oldest student organization in the state of Tripura, we called a 12-hour strike on Monday, 28th of August 2023, which will affect the statewide. And we demanded people to participate in this movement. We believe that this is the movement of the people and the students, demanding Roman script for kokborok oral language. The government of Tripura, we believe they are totally deaf and blind. The demand of the indigenous people, we are not against any community. For 50 years, we have been demanding the Roman script. 2 months ago, we have submitted and requested the governor. We have no response. For this all reason, we urge the people of the state and the student organization and the civil society to support this demand and make it successful, so that the government of the state and government of India will definitely bound to give our demands. And we are not begging our demand. It is our rights which has to be given. I believe the people of state will be very kind enough to support us, and we are a peace-loving people. We want the strike to be successful and peace be remain in the state of Tripura. That's all. Thank you very much. 12 hours, which will affect from 28 morning till 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Statewide.
Yes, statewide.
Do you think or do you believe that this strike?
Can you please come nearby?
It's okay. Do you believe that with this strike demand that you have, the memorandum you submit to the governor, fulfill this one?
See, we have submitted a memorandum, we all know. I believe the people of the state also very much aware about what we have done in the past. There is a reason we are calling a strike. We will be writing to the Honorable Prime Minister of India as well and the Home Minister. If our demand is not success, we will definitely see our student organization and our federation will look into the matter again. But for now, we are calling a 12-hour strike within the state of Tripura. Anything else more?
What type of strike? That means the traffic, etc., or office, kachari, etc., will be stopped.
Okay. See,
What type of strike?
strike will define in this way for us. Everything, let it be office, school, even the public transport, everything will be stopped.
Everything.
Yes.
Emergency?
Not emergency, but we call a strike. It's not that the school will remain closed and even the offices. So that is our strike. Anything else?
Have there any propaganda? That means only tomorrow is left for you. Have there any propaganda? That means any announcement like that all over state?
See, we have given sufficient time to the government. I have already mentioned, we have submitted a memorandum to the governor and even approached the chief minister of the state.
It is another thing, whatever I'm telling you, that means about strike. You need some announcement like that all over Tripura, like that means day after tomorrow, 28th August, I think. You are saying 28th August?
Yes, 28th August.
August, the day after tomorrow. I think there have need some announcement like that all over Tripura. That means just now you are announcing, I think. It is only announcing you are, or tomorrow is pending for you, that means to announcement.
See, we have asked the government, okay? So, we have given several memorandum and several movement has been done. So, we have no option. And there is no question to announce in the state. It is our duty and to raise the grievances of the people and the students. So, I believe that, and we as a student organization believe that there is no need of announcement and requesting the government again for calling a strike. So it is our call that we are calling a 12-hour strike on 28th of August. So that is final.
Just now you are depending on our people. That means just now you are announcing this announcement. So tomorrow is left for you.
Yes.
So are you any type of plan, any plan of you? That means tomorrow you are going to announcement, miking, etc., to know all the people, all over state to conduct strike day after tomorrow.
So that means you're talking about the announcement within the publics and in the roads, right? See, the announcement will be done.
Is it not necessary? That means to know all the people.
That's why we are having a press meet, right? And we are saying we are having a press meet right now, and we will call and we will definitely do a miking also.
Okay, tomorrow.
Okay, so
tomorrow.
don't worry on that.
Tomorrow. That
So-
means we can write like that. That
Yes.
means you are going to miking tomorrow like that. Okay.
But we are calling a strike, right?
Okay.
Okay. So there is no doubt. We will need.
Okay,
See,
clear.
that's all. Anything else more?
আচ্ছা একটু ছোট করে বাংলাতে বলে ভালো হবে। এখানে সব বাংলা চ্যানেল আছে।